Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, let us talk about a keyboard that hits the sweet spot between retro aesthetic and modern wireless tech, the FANTECH 75% Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. If you love the look of vintage typewriters but demand today's performance and flexibility, this keyboard just might be your new desk favorite. Right off the bat, this board impresses with its low-profile Gateron Brown mechanical switches. You get that satisfying tactile feedback without being too noisy, making it ideal for both office use and gaming sessions. It's the perfect switch for users who love a light bump and smooth keystrokes. Now let us talk layout. This is a 75% keyboard, which means it keeps all the essential keys including arrow keys and the function row but trims away unnecessary bulk. It's compact, space-saving, and efficient, giving your desk a cleaner look without sacrificing usability. And yes, it's completely wireless. The FANTECH keyboard supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless with dongle, and USB-C wired mode, making it compatible with Windows, Mac OS, tablets, and even phones. Seamlessly switch between up to 3 Bluetooth devices with just a tap, ideal for multitaskers and hybrid workers. Aesthetically, this keyboard brings a distinct retro charm. The keycaps are styled with a nostalgic typewriter vibe, but under the hood, it's modern tech all the way. The PBT keycaps are durable, textured, and resistant to fading, so your setup will look fresh for years. Despite its minimalist frame, it offers reliable battery life, responsive performance, and simple plug-and-play functionality. You can even customize key mappings and lighting effects with FANTECH's software, giving you both form and function in one slick package. Whether you're a typist who wants tactile satisfaction, a creative who appreciates good design, or a gamer who needs wireless flexibility, the FANTECH 75% Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is an incredible value. Check the Amazon link below for the latest pricing. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay updated with the best tech drops right here on Gadgetverse.